subscribe first. Second, probably asking why I'm shooting this video from the ass end. Why? Because I like looking at fat asses. Beautiful, simple. That's the reason why. Check it out. Look at this fat ass right here. Nice fat ass in this truck right here. It's a fat ass. So anyways, long story short, besides the fat ass tires, we did a 3-inch rough country lift kit on this truck. Just got it finished yesterday. With that said, we have a set of AR172, that stands for American Racing 172, 16 by 10 wheels. They're satin black, fitted around a brand new, with titties, I call them nipples, Radar Renegade R7s. And these are a 265/75 16-inch tire. Very aggressive looking tire, very wide spaced tread pattern. A little bit of road noise, not too much. So going on with the video, I'll show you here in just a second too. I actually did remove the flaps. So with the clearance, as far as the lift kit, the 3-inch, well, it's technically a spacer, and brand new shocks in the back, and a shackle kit, or leaf spring kit. No, hold on. No, block kit right there for the truck. And with that said, we thought there was gonna be a little bit of rubbing, but not much. So what there was is there was a removal. We had to remove the mud flap right here. There's also a little frontal interior mud flap right here. Small little one, yay high, that wide. And this one was fucking massive. Excuse my fucking language. It was like down to here. It was a little ridiculous. So we removed those, and now the truck has full clearance. I'll show you guys in just a second. Full turn left, full turn right, no rubbing. We didn't even have to trim the corners of it, which was kick-ass. So really cool. It utilized the factory strut right there, and the rear shocks are right here in the back. So on with the truck. Here we go, guys. So check it out. It's a 2015 Toyota Taco TRD Sport. I call it a Toyota Taco turd, but it's a cool ass truck, to be honest with you guys. Really cool truck, fun as hell to drive. They're very nimble and agile. The wheels and tire combo give it a really, they kind of set it off, you know. It makes the truck, it really does. Without it, it's like you skipped leg day. You know, everybody tells me, oh, you skipped leg day. Well, here's your truck. Today it did not skip leg day. We get the wheels and tires on it. The stance is pretty aggressive too. Sticks out about maybe an inch or so past the fender wells. Anthony, check it out, brother. 1 inch. You know, here's how tall I am. Ready? I'm 6 foot tall. Boom! The truck's right here. So 3-inch lift kit, 265/75 16-inch tires. I stand probably about right level with this damn truck. So that's it, really. It's got backup camera navigation. Interior is freaking spotless. It's got taco floor mats. I love how these, like, you can, the cool part about the taco floor mats is it's like almost like buying a truck with aftermarket floor mats in it, because you can twist these 90 degrees, or yeah, is that 90, guys, what is that, 90 degrees? Yeah, 90 degrees. So you twist it 90 degrees and just pull it out, hose the bitch off, put it right back in, you're back in business. Back in the ring. It's got these like nice sleeves right here, pretty cool. Perforated seats, sport stitching I call it. Backup camera navigation, all the comforts of like Bluetooth. You can shut your phone off, hang it up, change the volume. I kind of don't like how it's down there, because when you're driving with your hands up here, you gotta switch down there to lower or change the volume, change the channel right there. This truck has like 64,000 miles on it, I think. Yeah, 65,080 because I've been driving it. And back seat, a little bit of kind of crammed up, I would say. A little roomy back there, not too much, but kind of. So as you can see, so let's see. So here's this front seat's kind of plenty room up here. I'm sitting pretty much all the way back, and you can see me. My legs are kind of a little crammed up, but it's not too bad. It's not that too bad, honestly. You got your pull-up seats right here. Pull those suckers up, hide your crack pipes in here, whatever you guys are into. I got jumper cables in there. Oh, speaking of which, I forgot where I left those damn things. I was looking for them. It's got the bed tie downs in there. Back of the seats are super hard metal, so it's kick-ass, it's durable. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys like it. It's got aftermarket step rails on it too. It matches the truck. It really gives it off. The frame is super clean on this truck, guys. And the cool part I like about the Tacos is you got secret compartments right here. You can hide your crack pipes in it, whatever you guys are into too, and you can hide your beer bongs and shit right there. You can have your wife come with you on the trip if you want. Plug her hairdryer into that sucker. Boom! But yeah, overall, look how damn clean the frame is on this truck. Super nice. Obviously, it's a 15, so it's pretty nice and clean. It's gonna have some scratches. It's got a little dent right there, but otherwise, it's nice and I like it. I've been driving it, so hope you guys like this video. This is Mark signing out. Subscribe, holler at me. I'll show you guys the clearance in about 2 seconds. I'm gonna play at the beginning of the video and again at the end of the video so you can see how much clearance we have. And hope you guys do a build like this or something. Check me out, holler at me, subscribe. Peace out, guys.